What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about the 2022 Toyota 4Runner. What I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be working on the turn signals, the OEM halogen turn signal lights. I'm going to be replacing those. I'm going to be taking those out and replacing those light bulbs with a new product here. This one here is, these ones here are LED switchbacks from a company called Lasfit. And I saw a lot of videos on YouTube and reviews on Amazon. Everybody seems to be very happy with this product. Their customer service is excellent. So I'm gonna read the back side of the package here and let you guys know what this is all about. It's a DC 12 volt canvas ready. So that means that you're not gonna get hyper flash on this thing. It's already installed into this product here, so that's a big plus. New LED technology, much brighter than halogen, of course it's gonna be, and I can't wait to try them out. The product number here is T3-7443D, and these are gonna be the perfect replacement for these right here. So why don't you just follow me and watch me how I install these new LED lights on the truck, and I'm gonna do a quick comparison of before and after. I'm just gonna do one side first, and then I'm gonna let you see the difference on brightness and see how much of a difference it is. Remember, these are switchbacks, so these are gonna be white, bright white while driving. Driving lights are gonna be super white, no more amber in the corners here. It's just gonna be white, and when you flip to the turn signal, it's gonna start flashing bright orange. I have never used this product before, and I really want to know what this is all about, because their website, they have all kinds of lighting and all kinds of good stuff there. So we'll see. We'll give it a shot. All right, let's get going. Let's do the first one, and I'll show you how I do it. All right, guys, so we are ready to go. We need to take this bolt off. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 on the bottom. All right, let's do that now. It's a 10mm socket here. All right. To do that, we need to separate the fender liner with the bumper, so we can gain access. This way we're gonna gain access to the light bulb in there. We have room to get to it. Let me take a look. Oh yeah, I see it. I see it over there. It's up there. I'm gonna bring you in here so you guys can see it. That's it right there. Okay. So let's get that out, and I'll show it to you guys. It's just a twist and pull. the wire, the harness is not that long, so I'm gonna have to show it to you right there. Not sure if you can see it. Okay. All right. This is it right here, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna bring one of the Lasfit switchback turn signals. Try one of those out. Here it is. Remember, I'm using gloves for this. I don't want to use my bare hands because the oils on our hands might damage the lifespan of these LEDs. Just in case, just to be safe. I don't want to grab it and hold it with my bare hands. Okay. There it is. I'm gonna give it a try now. I want to see if the polarity is correct, because with LED lights there's a certain way the polarity has to go. If it's not the correct way, you have to pull it out, do a spin it 180 degrees and put it back in again, and it'll work that way. Let's see if we got lucky on this one. Oh, I see it flashing. Okay, so we got lucky on this one. Let me button these up and then I'll show you how it looks. I'm gonna show you the difference between this side and the other side. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so here is the difference between the Lasfit switchback turn signals here. It looks really white. I don't want to put the camera right in front of it, but it's really nice. It's like clear white. Compared to the other side, it's amber. Okay, and the turn signal, I'm gonna do the turn signal now. Wow, it's night and day, guys. You can tell the difference, definitely. This thing, it's a lot brighter. So let me go ahead and finish up the other side, and then I'll show you the end product, the end result, once I'm done with the other side. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm done with both sides, the driver, passenger, and this is the way they look right now. They are pretty bright. I like them. All right, now I'm gonna turn the hazard lights on. Okay, so you guys can see how they look. They're gonna switch. They're gonna switch from clear white to amber. All right, let's see right there. How about that? How about that? I'm gonna leave them on for a minute so we can see and check if we're gonna get hyper flash problem or not. I don't think we will. We shouldn't. It's coming from a very good company, so let's see. We're gonna give it a minute. Even better, I'm gonna try the turn signals by themselves. I'll be right back. No hyper flash yet, but I just found a problem. You guys see this right here? This thing is going out. It went out, so I'm gonna have to replace all of these Raptor lights. That's gonna be a video for some other time. Right now we're focusing on these turn signals on the switchbacks. They look amazing. I've never had these before and I really like them. You can see that right there. Those are not the headlights, those are just the switchbacks. All right, I'll be right back. I'm gonna turn the right side now. Okay. We already tested the driver's side. No problem whatsoever. Now we're testing the passenger side. Let's give it a minute. No hyper flash, so it's a go. So far so good. Well, there you have it, guys. The lights are working perfect, no hyper flash. I let them run for a while, and as you guys saw it on the video, they work the way they should be working. When I switched from halogen to LEDs for my OBS right here, I ran into a big problem because I was getting hyper flash when I installed these lights. So it took me a minute to figure that out. But guess what? These lights here, the ones from Lasfit, these switchbacks here are ready to go. You don't have to mess with any resistors. You don't have to mess with any other wiring or anything else. Everything comes together, plug and play, as you guys saw it. And I do recommend them. They are very good, brighter, good. So with that said, if you guys want to get a pair of these switchbacks from Lasfit, I'm gonna leave their website on the description, as well as discount code. I have a discount code, and you guys can save some money if you guys click on that. And with that said, thank you guys for watching my video. If you guys have any more questions about this product or any other products, make sure to visit their website, lasfit.com. They have a lot of products that you guys might be interested on. Most likely I will be visiting that website and picking up some other stuff myself, because I am very impressed with their product. The quality was amazing. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.